everybody? It's your girl Mama Mita. And today what I'm doing is just a simple, quick ponytail, which was not quick at all for me. Let me tell y'all. I had to go ahead and really slick it off camera because I had to go in and part my hair in each section, in small sections, and put the gel in between. So that just took, I didn't want to, I need a camera, you guys. I need a camera. So maybe once I start doing really good on my channel, I can go ahead and invest in a nice little camera and I don't have to worry about the phone. Y'all can get the whole thing. But anyway, what I used was the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel. And this is the cherry scent. I went on ahead and got the 16.9 fluid ounce because I wasn't trying to play no games with the small one. It's kind of like a little teaser. But, yeah. It says to rub a small amount into your hands, but, I'm kind of like in between two worlds right now. I'm half natural, half relaxed. I need globs. So a small amount for me is not going to help. But, yeah, it smells really good, too, y'all. It's got like a nice little, light scent. It's not really strong. To me, it kind of smells like flowers. It gives me flowers. Laying down in a bed of flowers in the springtime. Butterflies floating. That's where it's taking me right now. That's where it's taking me. But yeah. So far, it feels like it's going to do a little something. It kind of feels like the edge control, but it has a thinner consistency. So, I'm just hoping that it stays slick like this. I have faith in it. It's doing good so far. So, right now, I'm just gonna take my little wrap strip juniors and just go around and wrap that baby down so it'll be nice and slick. I love Style Factor. Like when y'all came on the scene, I appreciated that. That was really, y'all, you really helped the ladies out. So yeah, I will be back in just a moment. So while I was waiting for my hair to dry, I'm just, I just went on ahead and put a little lash, gave a little spring lip. Yes, and I'm about to go get under the dryer, I guess. Just for a few minutes. I'll be back. So right here, I'm just raking the hair out. The hair is from Be Easy, you guys. Just raking the hair out, getting all the tangles out. And again, I like this hair because it has those nice tapered ends. You don't have to worry about it being blunt or, the end sticking out, because after I twist this hair, I'm going to be tucking it and pinning it. So those tapered ends help to make that a little bit easier. And so I put the rubber band around there, kind of like a crochet loop, and just started putting it on my natural hair, just like as if I was wrapping a ponytail or something. And so I just separate it in two pieces and twist it down like so. I'm just going to wrap it around. I was trying to find my groove. I got it around though. And so I'm just continuously wrapping it around there and tucking the end piece in. I really haven't decided yet whether I want to keep relaxed on my hair or, stay away from them. I'm kind of in between. I don't know what to do. But it'll work out. So I have the other piece twisted, and I'm just going to try to wrap that in the opposite direction. Just because I feel like it'll give that a little more balance. Give the bun a little bit more balance. And I only use really about like 4 pins, y'all. I don't like a lot of pins in my head. So I used about 4 bobby pins or hairpins. So here I'm just going to take off my hair wrap. And yeah, just a cute little simple bun. Nice and quick. Hope you like it.